nice and early, left about 6 o'clock, so the road should be fairly quiet for a little while. Got the GoPro strapped to my chest, so working on a different angle. Tried it on the helmet, but too much movement really. So we're just going to give this a go and see how the video comes out. This is a long hill, it's 2 miles, 2 mile climb up. It's a bit of a fresh morning. And we're just going to go up into, well, we're on Holcombe Down Road now, so just going to go up into the hills and end up in Lindridge Park. Been out on the wheel a few times this week. Want to get more mileage in on the V12. Fantastic wheel. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell to get notifications when I make more videos like this. We're just on this road for a couple of 100 meters. Hopefully it's nice and quiet. Just been re-tarmacked, nice and smooth. Get off here now. This is a nice estate, but got some teepees over there to the left, so you can hire them out. Interesting. And then just over the hill down the bottom here, there's an old house, nice gardens. So it might have been like a stately home or something. But it looks like, I think they're all privately owned now, the apartments. Not a bad driveway. There's sheep grazing in the field. I must say it's quite fresh this morning. I've got these gloves on, but not quite enough at the moment. building. There's the gardens. You'll be able to hear that whirring noise. It's a feature you can put on the V12 rather than it being silent. So obviously you just heard it. Just creates a bit of a noise, especially if we're approaching people. Quite good. Lets them know that you're on the way.